Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at that how can we generate SHA1 certificates. So firstly, we'll go and check in my CMD that if my Keytool is installed or not. So here you can see that I'm getting an error that Keytool is not recognized as any command. So firstly, what we'll do is we'll open the browser and I'll give you a link in the description. That link you have to open. And from then on we'll carry on with all the steps because that's a great link and all the tutorial for the generation of the certificate are here. So this link I'll give in the description. We'll scroll down and what we have to do is that we have to install Java JDK. So Java Development Kit. We'll open this link and we'll go to the installation page. We have to install our software Linux, Windows or Mac OS, and we'll just hit on Windows because I'm on Windows PC, and we'll start with the download. So we'll just once verify, and this is a link which we have to download for Windows. So it takes a couple of minutes, not a big software, and we'll open the file and run it. Give the permission, and now it starts. We have to click next, and now it will take some time to load all the files. I fast forwarded that and then finish closed. And that's all. The JDK is installed. Now we have to add it to the path, right? So we'll go to system variables. We have to search system variables, and then we'll have this option to edit the system variables. We'll open that. We'll click environment variables, and in the top one you can see path. Double click on path, and there you have to add the Java JDK path to bin. So just see what I'm doing. Copy this path given here. Only till Java, not the version, right? Only till Java, and we'll paste that as our path. And once we open that, we'll have the latest version, the version which we downloaded. We'll open the bin folder and then copy the link for the bin, and then we'll click new. We'll paste the link with the bin, and we'll open and we'll set OK and close it. So once we'll verify that if the changes we made are done or not, we'll open that path. And yes, we see that the changes are done and the bin path is added to the system variables. We'll close that. And that's all. Now we have to type Keytool in CMD and let's see if it works. Yes, it does. Our Keytool is working now. So how do we generate certificates? We'll go on top and copy the link which is given to us in the website. We'll go on top. This is the complete link for Windows which you can see. We have to copy this and paste it in the CMD. We copied that. We open CMD. We paste here. Now it will ask you for the password, and the default password is Android. Small a Android, and then you will get the whole certificate. Make sure not to copy my certificate because it's different for every device and it may give you errors. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Sometimes I struggle in this place, been in circles several days, never knowing the right way, yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place, people look the other way, and we all deal with our pain.